Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring SimplyHired, https://www.simplyhired.com, a popular online job search engine. It's a valuable tool for anyone navigating the sometimes overwhelming process of job hunting. SimplyHired acts as a central hub, pulling together job listings from thousands of different websites, including company career pages, job boards, and staffing agencies. This aggregation saves you time and effort, eliminating the need to visit numerous sites individually. The SimplyHired interface is designed for user-friendliness, allowing you to search by keyword, location, and job title. You can refine your search further with filters like experience level, company size, and date posted. This granular control helps you quickly narrow down the options and focus on roles that are the best fit for your qualifications and career goals. Beyond the core search functionality, SimplyHired offers several additional resources. These include salary estimates, which can be helpful during salary negotiations, and company reviews, offering insights into the work culture and employee experiences at different organizations. You can also set up email alerts to be notified of new job postings that match your criteria, ensuring you don't miss any relevant opportunities. One of the key advantages of using a platform like SimplyHired is the sheer breadth of its reach. By accessing a vast network of job postings, you significantly expand your potential pool of employment options. This broad exposure is particularly beneficial for those considering relocation or exploring different career paths. In conclusion, SimplyHired is a powerful and convenient resource for job seekers of all levels. Its comprehensive search capabilities, combined with useful tools like salary information and company reviews, make it a valuable asset in your job hunting toolkit. Be sure to check out the link in the description and give SimplyHired a try. What are your experiences with online job search engines? Let me know in the comments.